Sinadya ng pamunuan ng Bayview Park Hotel ang ating PAO Chief Persida Acosta sa kanyang opisina dito sa Quezon City.
Ito ay upang personal na igawad ang isang pagkilala sa Public Attorney's Office, ang 2023 Top Producers Awardee Live-In Function category.
Tunghayan po natin ito.
From the Bayview Park Hotel, Manila, your home by the Bay, 2023 Top Producers Awardee Live-In Function category is presented to Public Attorney's Office from Mr. Eugene T. Yap, General Manager of Bayview Park Hotel. Received by the Chief Public Attorney of the Public Attorney's Office, Dr. Persida V. Rueda Acosta, DSD. Congratulations!